how they designed the robot with a strategy in mind overall.
And one of the fundamental features, and again, it's unique for the first Global Challenge. We've seen it in some of these videos. Some of these kids are entering this arena of competition. And you think about the stakes that are at play representing their home nation, their home flags, and yet some of these kids have no robotics experience heading into this competition. Talk about stones, talk about coming into this with mental fortitude and a willingness to tackle problems and step out of your comfort zone. That's what it's all about here.
That's what it's all about, and that's what kids are all about. We're also very excited to see our next match on the field. It's going to be match 87, and we're starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
As that alarm sounds and as the robots descend, our two regional alliances are going to be complete with Team Hope, Team North Macedonia, and Team Liberia. They are squared up with Team Australia, Team Italy, and Team Turkey. Now, Team Italy, when they came into competition the other day in the Parade of Nations, I heard them screaming Forza Italia. Couldn't agree more right now. They've been flying around in this new competition.
I want us all to take a look at that robot that was within the reservoir. I didn't get a chance to look at the flag. I believe it is Team Hope. They have so many oxygen and hydrogen balls within the robot. Let's see if they're able to place them into the electrolyzer for the human players to throw around.
Now, neither of those hydrogen tanks has been pushed to that part of the field that's going to be central and necessary for that quote alignment bonus. But right now it looks like most of the focus and fixation is going to be on still trying to get as much water from that central reservoir as possible.
Because as we discussed before, that alignment, yes, it is important because it gives you a conversion multiplier, but if you don't get any hydrogen or oxygen balls, it's practically useless. So I understand where they're coming from, focusing first on the hydrogen and oxygen points of the game, and then I believe they can push those hydrogen tanks to alignment later on.
Now, in terms of some of the teams we have on this field, North Macedonia, and again, one of their features is, quote, STEM it like a girl. We are really excited to watch them compete on this field of play and represent the STEM world. Again, something with respect to gender equity that we really need to take a page out of their playbook from.
We can currently see, I believe it is, again, was it Team Hope? I'm sorry, I wasn't able to get a flag very clearly. There's so many things moving around in the field, but we have a team placing what looks to be, only hydrogen atoms into the hydrogen tank. Let's see if they're able to keep the oxygen away. They are. Can you see?
That was Team Hope, I'm pretty sure.
And it looks like we also have a team from the Blue Alliance doing the same. We're going to have a lot of hydrogen points for the match.
These teams have gotten a lot more efficient, folks, at trying to accrue as many of those hydrogen particles as possible. They're being deposited in the right place. Team Hope as a robot right now, teetering back and forth on that seesaw, but doing a great job. We'll see if they're able to pin that hydrogen tank underneath for alignment. They can now hit that button at their convenience.
We have a robot from the Blue Alliance trying to clear out the land beneath the oxygen accumulator to try to push the tank directly and get perfect alignment. Let's see if they're able to do it because we only have 3 seconds left.